I'm gonna demonstrate how to do changeover in rotary packer. This is first we had to make sure machine is turned, control power is off, but we can do it by pressing E-stop and go to main menu, then do changeover. But in this point we had to make sure there is no case on the loading conveyor. We had to clear those out. What I'm gonna do is move all the case back. After that, start changeover. Start changeover, and then we are gonna pick our desired recipe. Go to next. In this step, we are gonna check all those changeover points. Like number one is rotor length. Rotor length is, for this recipe, new recipe, is 14.4. Rotor length is on this side. We had to move the handle, and I can show here. So if I just move the handle, the rotor will start moving. On the other side there is a scale, so we can make sure it's the length is, the rotor length is inside the case, so it can drop back inside the case. Next setting is case width. It's over here. Number 2, there is a handle on each side of the machine. There is a number over here, and we can just move the handle and go to our desired setting. Make sure we have a finger gap between cases and the guides. Next setting is empty case clamp. Empty case clamp is the first clamp. It's gonna hold the second case. That's case at standby. And we had to make sure this photo I can see the second case. Number 4 is always a fixed number. There is an arrow for the case at load clamp. And number 5 is full case reference. This is number 5. We had to set up this number 5, like if I move this case at this clamp, we have like a 3-finger gap between the end and the backstop. Number 7 is empty case indexer guide adjustment. Basically it's the angle over here, so there is 2 adjustment over here and 2 adjustment over here. For the indexer we can we had to make sure there is a finger gap between case and the guides. And there is also number 6. Number 6 is the clamp. Our target is to catch the second case with this backstop. So we have to make sure it's gonna always catch the second case. Number 8 will be the wheel high length adjustment. We always try to make sure this can just slide in, and this roller never gonna push too much. If it goes too much, sometimes the bigger case don't have enough gap between the roller and the guides, so we had to make sure we have enough gap, and the bigger case can turn nicely in this area. Next, you're gonna press control current, and machine's gonna start rehoming all rotor and lane divert, and machine is ready to go.